If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. And if I would say there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else. And I'm so sorry, baby, but you should go and find someone else who could treat you right, give you love, someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just